Are you looking for the best budget drones? In this video, we will look at some of the best budget drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. S116 MAX Drone. Capture stunning visuals with the S116 MAX ELF Drone's 8K HD camera, offering a resolution of 1280 by 720 for crisp, clear images. With a 2.4 GHz operating frequency, this drone ensures smooth and stable flight, providing you with a superior aerial photography experience. The drone features a complete omnidirectional sensing system, allowing it to avoid obstacles in any direction for a safe and seamless flight. Experience hassle-free control and real-time transmission of footage with the S116 MAX ELF Drone's Wi-Fi connection, enhancing your drone flying experience. The drone's 4-channel control allows for precise maneuvering and control, making it easy to navigate in complex environments. With a flight time of 15 minutes, this drone offers ample time for exploring and capturing your favorite moments. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone. The arms are foldable, compact, and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos/videos in real time through the mobile phone camera and transmit images. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3,000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 22 to 30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. One key return function, you can easily find your way home. One key takeoff/landing. One key automatic takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With overcurrent protection and low battery protection. Adopting 2.4 GHz technology, it has anti-interference function. For channels, can fly up and down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight and easier control. With 3 flight speed switch levels, it makes flying more fun. Number 3. HolyStone HS440D 4K GPS Drone. HS440D 4K drone is equipped with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable lens that provide a perfect 3840 by 2160 resolution picture. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or windy conditions. Enjoy carefree flights with GPS auto return. If the drone loses signal, goes out of range, or has low power, it smartly returns home on its own. Also includes Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Point of Interest to ensure a great flight experience. This GPS drone comes with a carrying case. The foldable design makes it easy to store and incredibly portable for outdoor journeys. And weighing under 250 g, you're free from FAA registration. Whether you prefer preset flight paths or carve your own route, the HS440D drone effortlessly follows your lead. Features like one key takeoff/landing and emergency stop make sure your first 19-minute flight time is a reassuring and exhilarating journey. 2-speed switch, headless mode, altitude hold, and low battery warning. All these features, combined with exceptional quality, make it suitable not only for beginners but also for skilled players. Number 4. TD12 Pro 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV Drone. Capture stunning aerial footage with this drone with camera, featuring a 1080p HD camera and 90 degrees electric adjustment for optimal shooting angles. Perfect for both amateur and professional photography enthusiasts, this is one of the ideal drones with camera for adults. Equipped with 4 high-performance brushless motors, this drone ensures smooth and stable flight even in breezy conditions, supported by level 3 wind resistance for enhanced durability. Ideal for drones for adults who seek reliability and performance. Master flight effortlessly with 3 speed adjustment, low/medium/high, altitude hold, 1 key takeoff/landing, and headless mode. These intuitive features are tailored for drones with camera for adults, allowing beginners to focus on capturing stunning footage without complexity. Achieve precise hovering and smooth control with advanced optical flow positioning, ensuring stability even for beginner-friendly drones. It can also be used as a second camera to provide diverse shooting angles. This feature enhances safety and ease of use. Designed for convenience, this foldable drone features a compact structure, making it easy to carry and store. Perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, it's a great choice among drones with camera for adults. Number 5. HolyStone HS720 GPS Drone. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from different angles. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. The 2 intelligent batteries works for 26 minutes per battery for each charge, 52 minutes in total with 2 batteries. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. Don't use batteries from other brands, which may cause product issue or safety concern. Product support available. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes great effect when GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions like one-key start/stop, emergency stop, altitude hold and electric fence keep it simple to control for even beginners.